It is mid-July 2021, and it is the scheduled screening of our July magical stocks. We will be having the actual buying since this is our planned fourth batch. For this investment, we will try to screen 5 high market capitalization stocks regardless if they are blue chips or not. This video will show you the screening of our July magical stocks and the actual buying plan. Before we proceed with our screening, and if you are interested in investing using our magical stocks or simply like monitoring our system's effectiveness, please like this channel, subscribe and hit the notification button to keep you updated weekly. Here are the sorted stocks based on their PER extracted from the top 50 high market capitalization companies. We are showing you the 20 stocks sorted in ascending order based on their PER. Here, we have the code and company name, if it is a blue chip or not, the date where the capitalization was computed, and the market capitalization itself. PER is here, which was sorted. DTE is also plug in with the dividend yield for the years 2021 and 2020. We already sorted the screening and passing our screening are 1. LTG or LT Group, Incorporated. 2. DMC or DMCI Holdings Incorporated. 3. MEG or Megaworld Corporation. 4. FGen or First Gen Corporation. 5. MPI or Metro Pacific Investments Corporation. 6. GT Cap or GT Capital Holdings, Incorporated. 7. AEV or Aboitiz Equity Ventures Incorporated. 8. FDC or Phil Invest Development Corporation. 9. TEL or PLDT Incorporated. 10. SECB or Security Bank Corporation. 11. RLC or Robinson's Land Corporation. 12. MWC or Manila Water Company Incorporated. And lastly, GLO or Globe Telecom, Incorporated. 13 out of 20 stocks passed our screening. We will now be choosing our 5 July magical stocks on the list. Most of the stocks that passed the screening are already magical stocks. We will select those who are still low in PER. We will buy LTG, MEG, MPI, AEV, and TEL. We will add 150k pesos to our 451k investment. We will also add the dividend payment received to the 150k investment this quarter. This will now be our worksheet for our investment in the 5 July magical stocks. We will buy these 5 stocks in the coming week, from July 12th to July 16th, 2021. We will monitor these 5 stocks weekly as our 4th batch of magical stocks. That will be all for this week's magical stock screening. Thank you for watching. Next week, we will update the result of the actual buying of these 5 stocks. Quote, "You will never find fulfillment trading the markets if you don't learn to appreciate and be satisfied with what you already have." Unquote. Yvonne Bayaji. See you in the following video. Have a great day ahead.